EPA doesn't seem to be too concerned about today the company Lumber Liquidators. The Consumer Product Safety Commission, though, confirming today it is investigating the company's China-made laminate flooring, which some say contains dangerous levels of formaldehyde. With more on this, attorney Adam Thompson. Adam, great to have you on the show. Okay, here's what I find so interesting about this, and you tell me what you make of it. But we have a Consumer Product Safety Commission, a small agency, maybe a couple of $100 million budget. This will be a massive project for them. They don't even have the in-house personnel to do it. They've got to outsource it. Meanwhile, the EPA sitting around hundreds of billions of dollars that it has to spend, it's not playing. What do you make of that? Why is it that this small, tiny agency is playing this role and the EPA is moving right on down the line?
Well, that's a very good question, and you would think that the entity with the larger budget and resources would be overseeing this process, but it isn't. In the big picture, I don't really think it matters who does the investigation or who looks into it, as long as they use the top experts who know what they're doing to investigate this case, to determine if the laminate floors do pose a safety risk to the public. Then, as long as we get that answer, I really think that's all that matters.
So the way they're going to do this is they're going to ignore what is California's method of testing. And what they're going to do is test the flooring as consumers would use it, which is to say they're not going to slice it into layers and test the formaldehyde that way. A lot of people are dismissing this concern. They think it's silly. They think CBS has it all wrong. Do you think we need to know the real story from CPSC, or are you happy just to move on and not even pay attention to the results?
No, I think this is important enough to get the right answers. I mean, the test that 60 Minutes did in their piece may be off because they removed a top layer off the laminate flooring.
But let's be clear about that, my friend. This is the very test California uses. And I think that's why they did it that way. Let's talk for a second about...
I understand that, but still, in the ordinary daily use of this type of product, many in the industry say that that wasn't an accurate way to get the result.
I've heard that.
So they tested differently. Now, do I think it should be tested one way or the other? You know, after a while, walking on the floor, the top layer may peel back and be off, which will then expose that layer of the dangerous chemical. If that's the potential of what could happen, then they should do a test in both ways, in my opinion, to get a real proper result. Because you don't want your kids crawling on the floor, playing on the floor, and get exposure to that and then get an illness.
Adam, thank you. Still a lot more to come.